Hi everyone, Lily here from Harcourts Southern Forest and welcome to proposed Lot 3 of 166 Richardson Road here in Northcliffe. You're about 2.7 k's away from the town centre, so have you been dreaming of being country but being that close to town? You get the best of both worlds here and you're just surrounded by beautiful farm and bushland. This block is 17 acres, fully fenced and fully gated. You've got two separate fenced off area, as well as a small soak just within the trees up here. You've also got a bore site ready to go. And look, it's a beautiful mix of bush and cleared land, and small hobby farms like this don't come to market very often. So for more information and to make a viewing time, please get in contact as this one won't last long.